Birth control. The sexual act always carries the risk of potential pregnancy. In order to avoid unplanned pregnancies, many ways have been devised, which are called contraception or birth control methods. Methods of birth control. First method is to prevent pregnancy by creating a barrier. For example, condom. It is a rubber sheath worn over the penis to stop sperm from entering the vagina. It also prevents the transmission of sexually transmitted diseases and has no side effect. Second example is diaphragm. It is a rubber cup that is placed in the vagina over the cervix to prevent pregnancy. Third example is intrauterine contraceptive device, which is also known as IUCD. Copper T is placed in uterus by doctor in this method. It is used to prevent pregnancy. It can cause side effects due to the irritation of uterus. Second method is hormonal. For example, oral contraceptive pills. These pills contain hormones which prevent release of ovum so that fertilization cannot occur. But these pills disturb the hormonal balance of the body, and these pills also has side effects. Third method is chemical method. For example, spermicide. Spermicide is applied in vagina. It kills sperms. It can only be used with condoms or diaphragm. Fourth method is surgical. For example, vasectomy. A small portion of the sperm duct is cut or tied properly, therefore the sperm transfer will be prevented. It prevents sperms from coming out of urethra and it is an irreversible process. Second example is tubectomy. A small portion of oviduct is cut or tied properly. We know that the eggs are released by ovaries, but these eggs are carried by oviduct, which is also known as fallopian tube. So in case if a small portion of oviduct is cut or tied properly, then the fallopian tube gets blocked. The egg will not be able to reach the uterus and then the fertilization will not take place. It prevents the eggs from meeting sperms. It is also an irreversible process. So we can say surgical method is mostly irreversible process.